Hi guys! Look, the hurricane flew to the farm. Hurricane threw children on clouds. Mom and dad animals cannot find their children. Help the animals. Find the kids. Look, who is this? This is Mom Hen and Dad Cock. They are looking for their baby. Help them. Find the baby. You're doing fine. It's a chick. It's chickens. It's a chick. Mom and Dad Sheep also lost a baby. Help them find him. Perfectly. It's a lamb. It's a sheep. It's a lamb. Do you hear? Ducks quack sadly. They are looking for their baby. Show them where he is. Here it is, Duckling. Good job. This is ducklings. This is a duck with ducklings. This is Mom and Dad Cow. They also lost their baby. Help them. Find the baby. It's a calf. Excellent. This is a cow. This is a calf. Look, these are goats. They bleat, looking for a kid. Can you see him? Great, here is a kid. These are goats. This is a kid. Listen, the dogs whine. They call their baby. Help them. Find him. Awesome. This is a puppy. These are puppies. What are these sounds? These geese are calling their baby. Help them. Show them where he is. You are fantastic. This is a gosling. These are geese. This is gosling with goose mom. Who is it? These are horses. A hurricane also carried their baby. Help them find him. This is a foal. Good job. This is a family of horses. This is a foal. Mom and Dad cats are crying. They are looking for their baby. Help them. Show where he is. Here he is, a kitten. Well done. These are cats. This is a kitten. Look, who these cuties are. These are rabbits. Help them find their child. Here's a bunny. Bravo. These are pigs. Their child is also lost. Find him, help the pigs. That's right, it's a piglet. You're darling. This is a piglet. You did a good job today. You helped the animals bring their children home. Very nice to do good deeds, right? Subscribe to the channel and watch new episodes.